300,000 kilometers of driving in raw camera and LiDAR data. With 45 kilometers per hour, which is common across urban and non-urban scenarios, we end up with 6,700 hours of driving. A typical LiDAR spins at 10 frames per second. Taking this into account, we end up with 240 million frames to be annotated. But it's not only about the frames. On each frame, we have an average of 15 objects. Objects are cars, trucks, pedestrian, traffic signs. When we take these numbers, we end up with a whopping 3.6 billion objects to be annotated at quality. This is a lot.